In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use the FedEx International Shipping Calculator. First, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type FedEx Shipping Calculator and then search for it. Now, different website links will appear. Navigate to the official one, calculate shipping rates. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. You might be prompted to enter your shipping location. After you do that, you'll be directed to this page. Now from field, enter your country, city or zip postal code where your package will be shipped from. Then in the to field, enter the destination country and the exact delivery location including the zip or postal code if requested. Providing accurate origin and destination details helps generate the most accurate shipping estimate. After entering the shipping locations, fill in your package information such as weight, dimensions and the shipment date if required. Once all the necessary details have been entered, click the Calculate, Get Rates or similar button. The FedEx Shipping Calculator will then display the available international shipping services along with their estimated delivery times and shipping cost, allowing you to compare your options and choose the service that best fits your needs. And that's how you can use FedEx International Shipping Calculator to estimate shipping cost. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.